Let's get one thing straight. This is not yoga. Shanti, Shanti. It's not that these things can't be a part of yoga, but they're not inherently what yoga is. It's a lot like looking at an oven and calling it cake. Yes, an oven can be used to make cake, but the oven itself is not cake. These poses, these practices are not what yoga is. They're just tools. And the big problem can come is that we get attached to these tools. We get attached to this asana, to this pranayama, this mantra. We get attached to these things. It can be a big trap for the ego. We can get identified with this or that, and then we can completely lose track of the path. Stay tuned for next week's video, where I'll discuss a little more what yoga is, and we can see the comparison. For now, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.